Hi everyone, I'm Wilson here for Rezt+Relax. This is a semi-D in Eastwood. How have we made over a master bedroom for the owner's needs? Let me show you. Come. Hi everyone, this is the master bedroom of the owner house. Basically, this is what we designed for the wardrobe here. We actually designed a full height mirror. We have a sliding door here with an automatic light. And this part is the most exciting part that the owner liked the most. It's actually an island cabinet with an organizer. Let me share with you the master toilet. Basically, we done out a very huge vanity here. So this is where we design all the storage, which is the owner put all the stuff here. Because the owner want to have a nice resort view, so this is what we have designed for the owners, with a nice bed here. And the owner like this area is because they can have a very nice view to see a very nice balcony here. We believe once a customer, always a customer. Thanks for watching the video.